Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. Okay, so it's Friday Freebie Day again. So I've come up with this digi for you today, and it's really nice. I've got some lovely words on here, and this is a little one that you can make for yourselves. I thought it would be really nice. We've got some lovely words on here. We've got own who you are. It's up to you. We've got appreciate, believe in yourself, never give up, be patient, be gentle, be humble, be loving. We have happiness, peaceful, thankful, grateful, love, and you always have a choice. So I thought this was a really nice one, and we are going to be making this. So I've got a little closure here, which is a little bow, and it's really nice. I'll just pop that out of the way. So this is a little flip out, really, I suppose you'd call it. So it just opens out like this, and we've got never give up, and then it opens this way, and then it says believe in yourself, so you can have a little place to journal here. This is the be gentle on there, and then it's own who you are, and on the back of this one you always have a choice. So I thought this was really nice. So it just flips in like that, so it's a really nice one. You can pop into your personal journal, but it's really good. It's really simple to make. As you know, I always make simple things, easy peasy, and I just thought it would be a nice little journaling spots for you. So I'm going to show you how we make that. So I've already cut out these on here and some of the words here, so they're just really nice pictures on here. So I'm going to take those. So what we need to do, whatever I've done with a piece of paper, we have one piece. This is a standard sort of like A4 copy paper that I use, and I've just tea stained it. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fold it in half like this, and then I'm going to fold it back on itself. Try and get it straight as you can, and then we'll fold this one back on itself again like that. Okay, now to measure the height of it, just pop the biggest one on there so it goes up to the top like that, and then we just bend that up because that's roughly what we need to sort of cut off like that. So this bit here, we just chop that bit off. So I'm going to get my little cutter here and then just snip that off like that. Perfect. So then that's for the biggest one. We need that bit for the biggest one like that. Okay, to start with, it depends whichever way you want it to open out. If you wanted to open it out this way first, but I've opened it out sort of like this way. So what you need to do is pop the smallest one, so they all obviously go down in sizes. So we take the smallest one and we pop it on here, on the front like that. And then what I've done, I've just got a pencil and I've just marked it off, just like that. You can measure it if you like, if you want it to be accurate. But so this would be just under 3 inches there, so which would be the same there. So what we need to do is just take that like that, and that's our line that we need to cut off. Okay, so what we would do, take that, just cut this down there like that. We can cut that piece off. But what I'm going to do, the next piece we need to do is here. So we've cut that down like that. The next one we need to pop onto this one, so that's the next size up. So then we can just mark it off like that. Pop a line down through there, and that's the next bit we need to cut off. And then we can open it up again. The next one we put on here like that. Just mark it off here. and then we just snip that off and draw a line across there so they go up in size. So that goes there, that goes there, and that goes there. And then the last one we don't need to cut off, so pop those there. So this one we've cut, and then I need to go up through here. So you just cut in like a zigzag and go along like that, up through there. Along there, and then we just cut that last piece off. You can use that for something else. You can make a little tiny little one. So there we go. So that's the shape of it. So now when you've done that, you can probably tidy it up just a little bit so it's not you've got a few little straight edges on there. And let's just get rid of these little pencil marks here. Okay, so there we go. So it opens up like that, and then like that. And then all I'm going to do, I'm just going to ink the edges. So let me just get my pop all these little bits, and then we've got the little words over there. So I'm just going to quickly ink these edges up. Make sure I don't have a huge amount of ink on my, just like this. So it's sort of a bit more of a vintage style, this one, which is quite nice. But again, you can put any papers on it. So once you've made this a couple of times, you can incorporate it into whatever journals or whatever papers that you're actually using. So it's quite a nice addition to your journals. Or again, I like to do them as little gifts for people, and they're really quick and easy. So you can, if you're writing to somebody or you're sending them a little gift, something like this is really nice just to pop in the post to them as well. So there we go. So we've done that, so that's easy peasy. So we pop this one on. It doesn't really matter which way round it actually goes, does it? Because this is the branch bit, so it looks good either way. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my glue, just the tacky glue. So now you can embellish these as much as you like, but I'm going to just show you the basic way of putting it all together. And once you've got the hang of that, you can just pop whatever you like on them. So you can put bits of lace, little bits of fabric, all sorts. So you need to remember to put them all on this piece. So as you turn that one over, that's got to go on there so you can see it from the front. Doesn't need a huge amount of this glue because it's really nice glue, really sticky glue. Oops. Put that on there. Okay, then this has to turn over this way so we can put the lovely sunflower on there. Oops. Get the little end bit off. There we go. Onto there. And then we flip it over this way, and then we've got the big one to go on. Like this. And then that can just squash onto there, like that. So that all sits down together. And then you want to pick your words. So on this one, I've cut them all out already. So on the front, if I can find them, we've got be patient, we've got be humble. I quite like these ones on the front. Be gentle, And where's the other one? Be loving, that's the one. So we'll have be patient at the top. I thought I'd just pop them in the top so they look quite nice, so you can actually see them. But again, you can put some cheesecloth under these, just to sort of layer them up if you wanted to. But I thought I'd quite like them just like this. Once we have, be gentle. So it's a lovely, quick, easy project for you to do over the weekend. Like that. And we'll have be humble. Oops. And then we've got be loving. Like this. There we go. And you just stick on there. So, and then I've also put the words on the inside, but again you can just leave that to journal on if you want to. But we've got all these ones on here, so I'm going to pop appreciate, I think, on that one, which is nice. So it's a nice little space just to remind yourself what you appreciate. Write a few little things on there. Just to pop, you can pop these in your personal journals if you wanted to. Then we turn it over this way. Let's have a look. We can put own who you are on there. Oops. And of course you can use these words on anything. Even make yourself a little, or if it's a little birthday card or something for somebody you could make. What shall we have? Never give up. That's a good one, isn't it? Like that. And then on the back, what shall we have? I think we'll put grateful on the back of this one. And then you can pop all the things that you're grateful for on the back of here. So there we go. How easy was that, and how lovely. I think it looks really, really nice. So it just opens up like this. Concertinaed either way. So I think that looks really nice. There's that way, and then we got that way. And it just folds up. And what I've done on the other one, let me have a look. I've got a little bit of seam binding here. So I'm going to pop that onto here. I'm going to pop a little bow. On there. If I can do it up. All fingers and thumbs today. There we go. And then I'll just chop a little bit off there. Like so. And then we've got a nice little addition to your journals, or a present, or whatever you'd like to make it for, or whoever. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. So this is your freebie. So this is what you will get to print out. I've printed mine on to, I think it's 160 gram paper, and I think I stuck it on, I think the coffee stained or tea stained paper I used was 120 gram. The better the paper, the nicer that they'll print out. So you'll get a better copy. The cheaper the paper, they don't print out as well. But I think these look really, really nice. So that's an idea for you. You don't have to do that, but it's an idea that I thought I'd just show you what you can do with it. So now I have two. Alright guys, well, you enjoy that. Have a lovely weekend, and I will see you soon. Alright, take care. Bye bye.